In today's TikTok tips, I am going to show you how to turn a horizontal video into a vertical video, but there's no need for a PC or an iMac. I'm going to show you how to do it right there on the TikTok app. Coming up next. So YouTube recently just launched this feature. TikTok didn't mention it, they didn't launch it, it's just there and you gotta know how to do it. So this will save you some time. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna do a screen record on my phone and show you where to find it and how you can make it happen. All right, so we are screen recording. I'm gonna go ahead and open the TikTok app. That is me. Woo, a little too close. Let's go ahead and upload a horizontal video that I have right here. Now, as you see, it's already horizontal. Now, you could put text on the top and text on the bottom. A lot of people do that, and they still upload that video. But what if I really want to have that vertical video filling up the whole phone? And in most cases, TikTok favors those videos even more and pushes those videos to the For You page in the algorithm because it's using the vertical dimensions that TikTok is all about. So what you want to do is click on the adjust clips right there. Now you already know you can do some additional editing on the bottom, such as, you know, dragging your audio left to right and clipping the video into parts. But simply take your two thumbs and zoom in on that video, fill in the whole screen. And for this video, it's just that simple. There's no need to show the background. There you have it. So if you have a video, whether it be a recording of a birthday party, something you recorded, you know, a little while ago, a month ago, a year ago, out on the street, and you know, you don't want to have to use a PC or an iMac to go ahead and try to convert that and crop it and rotate it. Dump that video on your phone, get ready to upload it to TikTok. Go to the icon where it shows you to edit video clips, use your thumb, zoom in on it. It's not gonna tell you that, people don't really know that, but it's there, it's that easy, it's simple. Let me know in the comments, did you already know this? Have you been doing it? Probably not, because most people already record in vertical mode anyway, but occasionally you'll have that instance where, you know, something was recorded in horizontal mode. All right, guys, it's that simple. Let me know if you need to know how to do anything else additional, and I will see you on the next video.